Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. If you understand, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today I am going to speak about Indian history's 2 chapters. This is made by Ms. Nalina Shri Neeraj Kumar. We are going to speak about culture and tradition of India and heritage of India. So we are going to start with culture and traditions of India. So let's go. Chapter 1, Culture and Traditions of India. There are some learning outcomes. Understand the meaning of culture and tradition. Discerns between the meaning of culture and tradition. Cite some examples of family traditions as well as school traditions. So let's start. A progress of man from the prehistoric times to the modern era has been very gradual but the distinct one. He has evolved from being a barbarian to being an organized and civilized animal. With passage of time, he acquired and mastered over many skills. Everything that he learned and used in a particular way became his culture. Thus, there is a vast difference in the culture of different societies across the world. What does culture mean? Do you know what does culture mean? The word culture covers many things. Our socially accepted behavior, literature, dances, music, folklore, ideas, customs, traditions, art forms, lifestyle, etc. are part of our culture. When we say that India has rich culture, we mean that since ages we have been doing some things like celebrating or cooking a particular food item in a specific way. Our traditions. Tradition means a part of a culture that is passed from a person to person, generation to generation, which may differ family to family. The way you welcome a new person in your family, like a bride after her marriage or a newborn baby, are the best examples of tradition. So, this is the end of the chapter. This is a short chapter. Okay. The chapter 2, Heritage of India. There are some learning outcomes. Identify heritage sites. Discerns between the material and the non-material heritage. States the importance of preservation and suggests ways to preserve our heritage sites. So let's start. Heritage is something that we have inherited from our ancestors. Our culture and tradition are our heritage. It can be a tradition or a particular value or a practice. It can include all that our ancestors followed or created and passed on to us. Heritage can be a concrete or abstract form. Let's start with material heritage. All the concrete things like monuments, temples, forts, statue carvings, art forms in caves, holy books, clothing, and other artifacts are examples of our material heritage. For example, the Vedas or a monument. Next one is the non-material heritage. The abstract things like literature, music, art, forms, dances, dramas, herbal remedies, etc. from our non-material heritage. Examples: Bharatanatyam, Carnatic song, etc. Now we will learn preservation of our heritage. The material heritage has been with us for many centuries now, some of which has been destroyed by the vagaries of nature and some have been damaged or stolen by invaders. It is a blessing to have several heritage sites in India, but it is very unfortunate that we do not have traditions of looking after them. Today, several monuments are sad witness to damage mayhem. Some tourists love to scribble their names or to take away shape of the wall as a memento. So, this is the end of the chapter. This is also a short chapter. So, the chapters. Bye. See you next video.